What's going on, guys? So just a little update with the Graco quick shot I forgot to mention. So if you look at the owner's manual or the little quick guide paper that comes with it, it will actually tell you to scan the QR code and go to the website, and you fill out this form, and then they'll actually send you some free tips. So I got my package from Graco today, as you can see. So let's go ahead and take a look. It lets you pick the sizes that you want. So honestly, I can't even remember what sizes I ordered, but I did think that was pretty cool that they do that, seeing how the machine is fucking $1,200. They could definitely throw in some tips. Alright, nope, don't see anything else in the bag. So, first of all, okay, that's just like a receipt basically, but that probably has my shipping information on there, so I will not be posting that. Yeah, so I got a 414 FFLP. I got a 312 FFLP and a 314 FFLP, and these were all completely free. They all I had to do was just scan that little QR code and fill out the form, and then they sent them to my house, and that was about a week ago. So shit, it might have been, honestly, it might have been a couple days ago. I don't know. I've been kind of busy with work, but they got them sent out pretty fast, so I do appreciate that. So, yeah, if you guys want to get some free tips, I believe this works anytime you get a Graco rig of any sort. Like, it doesn't just have to be the quick shot. It could be the 390, the 395, any of their bigger models. Hell, I think you can even do it if you get like a X5 from them. So definitely be sure to check that out. All right, y'all have a good one.